bowling to Shahid Afridi. And rightly worried there, Henry, because that's gone. Those stands. Mighty blow, mighty hit. Going with the spin.
Adil Raja's looking for a beer at the moment. Oh, we've got it back. I didn't think we'd get that back. Well, this is a huge hit. Oh, full swing of the bat. That's a good elevation too. Oh, great camera work to pick that up. Oh, right out of the beer tent.
We enjoyed that, and I guess so did the umpire out there. It's been carnage. 29 more required now.
And once again he goes, this time straight down the ground. And this is halfway up the hill. Obviously has a train to catch. That. Well, this will land almost the exact spot as the last one. I'm not sure if there's a catch being taken there. Oh, it's gone again. This one's in the press box. Halfway up the side screen.
Here we go. That's gone. Down the other side now. And he's got it, that youngster. Down he goes. He finishes it with another 6. So that's it. Shahid Afridi goes to 55 not out from just 18 deliveries with his 6-6. Had 4 fours, and he's rounded off this match with a wonderfully unforgettable, entertaining innings. It's the second fastest 50 in the history of one-day internationals, just 1 ball short of Sanath Jayasuriya's record. Bye-bye ball.
Really quite happy to go along with his partner, but I think he's decided to change his mind. That's all the way. That's a 6. Afridi has said, it's my turn now. Either that or he really fancies Cyrus. I think it might be a bit of both. And this was the off spinner, the slow ball. But Afridi saw it very early. It was drifting from middle stump to middle leg, and he just whacked it. Well, there he goes again. This is 6. It's all the way. It's on the roof. It's a biggie. Shahid Afridi has decided that the man in your picture now is cannon fodder. Either that or he's absolutely sick and tired of blocking. Oh, the guy's got that 6 as well. Oh, it goes whistling into the crowd. No one is going to catch that. Yes, I'm afraid there is nowhere to go for him at the moment. Oh, there it is. It's in the air again, and that's all the way as well. As I was going to say, they love their cricket, but as far as spectators are concerned, there's no way in the world. That's the 100th partnership. Afridi is getting stuck in 3 6s in the over. It's 101 for none.
Over the top, but it's gone straight up. It's going to test the fielder at long off. No, it's not. It's just a little too deep. Clearing the fielder by just maybe a couple of yards.
Down the wicket he goes. That's 6. That's a biggie. That's flat, and it's whistling into the crowd. Rummies to the crowd ever catch one in this part of the world. In Aussie, they'll do anything to catch it. There he goes again, and that's another big one. Into the crowd again, and I bet they dropped it. Up go the arms of umpire Shepherd. Sexy shot is the call from the outfield.
1,000 ODI runs for Shahid Afridi. And he's reached them in grand style.
What a way to get to 100. Well, everyone is on their feet here in Sharjah. Stephen Fleming is clapping his effort. And Shahid Afridi has really played a fantastic innings. And it's gone for him. And that's, well, on the bounce to the boundary. But Pakistan have won it in grand style here. Shahid Afridi has made it look ridiculously easy in the end.